Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing how to clear payments on Cash App. Now, let me put it for you straight up, okay? Let's be honest to you. I'm not going to waste your time. So, you cannot actually, clear your transaction history on Cash App. So, Cash App themselves have stated that due to security reasons, once a transaction has been made, the history cannot be deleted, and the same will appear in your bank statement. Okay, now look, no one else can see your transactions. Okay, so don't worry about that. No one else can see it. As long as they cannot access your account, they can't see it. Now, what you can do if you really want to get around this, what you can do is you would have to create a new Cash App account and use that for maybe some private transactions, whatever you want to do. Or if you want to get rid of all the transactions on this one, just create a new Cash App account and use that one. That is the only way, guys. So I hope this, video shed some insights for you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to the channel. Turn on those bell notifications so you get notified the next time we upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one.